Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're going to check out another typography tutorial in Illustrator. Step 1, select type tool. Click. Type in whatever you want. I got to go with the number 2 again. I got to scale it up, press Ctrl Shift plus Alt, scale it. I'm going to choose the Inter. Font, bold, click, right click, create outline, recolor. I'm gonna go with a gray. I'm gonna go to effects, 3D and materials, 3D classics, extrude bevel. I'm gonna change the position from isometric left. I'm gonna increase the extrude depth. Click OK. I'm gonna go to object, expand appearance, right click on group, right click on group. So everything is separated right now. And I'm gonna unite these 3D shapes. As you can see, we got a lot of layer going on in here. I'm gonna press Ctrl Shift and also select this one because they're like separated. I'm gonna go to Pathfinder and click on Unite. If you don't have a Pathfinder, go to Windows and select. Here it is, Pathfinder. I'm gonna do the same thing with this separately. Good. I'm also gonna create a pattern out of circles. I'm gonna select the circle, press Ctrl Shift plus Alt, create a circle. I'm gonna also recolor it. Go to object, go to pattern, make. I'm gonna change the grid, brick by row, increase the width and the height. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna increase it a lot. I'm gonna go with width 42, height 21. I'm gonna click here on done. I'm gonna delete the circle. I'm gonna select the number 2. I'm gonna press and hold Alt and drag it somewhere here. Now I also wanna scale the dots. So I'm gonna go to object, transform, scale. And I'm gonna uncheck the scale, stroke, and effect. I'm gonna uncheck the transform object. And now I can decrease the uniform. Ooh, this is really nice. Click OK. As you can see, I don't like these areas. I'm gonna select it, go to object, transform. I'm gonna select rotate. I'm gonna go with 15 degrees, click OK. Now you also can change the colors of the dots. You can go to edit. What is that? Edit color, recolor artwork. I'm gonna make it cyan eventually. There you go. I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna select the number 2. I'm gonna go with a magenta, with a darker magenta. I'm gonna go with yellow, the 3D shape. I also gonna make it a little darker. These 3D parts, I'm gonna make it perp. I'm gonna select the pen tool. I'm gonna swap it from fill to stroke, so it's gonna be in the stroke right now. And I'm gonna click here at this intersection point and click at the end of the intersection point. So it's gonna create a line tilted in an isometric position. I'm gonna press Ctrl Shift plus Alt, scale it up a little more. I'm gonna go to the stroke, increase the stroke, somewhere around 15. Press and hold Alt, drag it, create a copy. I'm gonna decrease the stroke on this. I'm gonna copy paste these 2 strokes. I'm gonna press and hold Alt, and I'm also gonna drag it something like this. I'm gonna select these 4 strokes from here, press and hold Shift and select them. Right click group. Select this yellow 3D extrusion, press Ctrl C, Ctrl F. This way it's going to create a copy, or you can go to edit, paste in front. And now I'm going to right click on the extrusion and go to arrange, bring to front. I'm going to select these stroke lines, press and hold Shift, also select the extrusion, right click, make clipping. I'm also planning to decrease the dots even more because they're kind of big right now. So I'm going to go to object, transform, scale, uncheck. Oh, there you go. 53%. So from here, I'm gonna select the extrusion, press and hold Shift. Basically, we're gonna select everything, all the extrusion, and also the number 2, this magenta. I'm gonna press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F, and I'm gonna go to Pathfinder, click on Unite. Don't worry about the imperfections. We're gonna add more stroke to it, and also I'm gonna go to the corners, and I'm gonna increase it. I'm gonna go to Object, Expand, click OK, click on Unite, swap it from fill to stroke, position this, increase the stroke thickness a little more. Now I'm gonna double click on this stroke and I can delete some areas like this. I'm also gonna select them, seems like they're 1 by 1 here. I'm gonna select them all, right click group, and I'm gonna make the cap rounded. I'm also gonna recolor this. And this is how you make this funky looking number 2 in Illustrator. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.